Hey guys, Larry the Tractor Guy here. Hey, we're out in a hayfield out here in southwest Oklahoma. Man, it's going to be a beautiful day today. We've been getting quite a bit of rain, and we're out here with a new L341 square baler today, and it's never had any hay put through it yet. And we're going to get this baler going here in a little bit, show this customer how to operate this baler. So we're going to do a little pre-setup here. And we're going to go ahead and look at our pickup height this morning, get that set for him, and then we're going to go ahead and start the first bale in this machine. So we're going to go over putting the first bale through an L341. Okay, and so to do that, we're going to have to set our bale chamber pressure, and we're going to go in and set that manually to 1,000 psi. Okay, so the first bale that's going to be in the chamber is going to be a really loose bale that's going to come out. It's not going to look very pretty, okay, but we have to have hay in the bale chamber to have something to push against. And so this is our bale chamber, and you can see our plunger up there in the front that pushes the hay into the bale. We're going to get started here in just a little bit. I think we're going to bale up this straw over here, and it ought to do a good job. Somebody's got some alfalfa laid down here, probably this customer. This alfalfa is still pretty green. They're probably going to rake this and flip this today and get some more dry down time on it today. But we're going to bale up some straw. It'll be pretty fun. So stay tuned and we'll get started here. All right, guys, so we're setting in here. We're going to go ahead and set this up for our first bale, and we want to go to 1,000 pounds. I got Tate here. Say hi, Tate.
Howdy.
Okay, and I want to get the camera up where we can see. Okay, we're going to the gear. We're going to change it to manual pressure control. Okay, go back to your baler. Okay, and then show them where the keypad is there. Okay, now we're going to type in 1,000 psi. Okay, basically what we're going to do is we're only going to apply 1,000 pounds to this first bale. And we already went in and dumped our pressure. Okay, so we get over the hay, we'll dump the pressure again. Okay, and then we'll go back to machine load mode once we get the chamber full. Okay, so stay tuned. So we've baled a little ways here, and as you can see, we've got a big old blob of mess in here in the bale chamber. Okay, so that's sort of what it's going to look like. And we've got the chamber full right now at 1,000 psi, and we're just about ready to trip that nodder up there. As you can see on the selector arm here, it's moved up quite a ways here. Okay, and we're going to keep going and go ahead and get this first bale tied up. We just tied our first bale out in this new L341, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's going to look like a big old blob of hay. Okay, but now we have hay filled in the chamber, so we have something to push against. Okay, all right, so we're going to go ahead and go into our display, and we're going to change it to machine load mode. Okay, and then we're going to get after this hay. Check it out. So this is the first bale out of a new L341, and as you can see, it's just a big old pile, big old loose bale, because keep in mind we only had it set for 1,000 pounds so that we could fill that bale chamber. Okay, and after we got that bale chamber filled, we baled up a few straw bales, as you can see out here, and it got really too dry. But we went to machine load mode. We set it at 75% machine load, and we built some pretty nice bales out here for this customer in this straw. And so hope that helps you out along the way, setting your baler up. First bale out of the season, if you got a dry bale chamber, setting that up for 1,000 psi and getting that chamber filled. So hope you enjoyed it. Larry the Tractor Guy signing out. Hey guys, check out Larry the Tractor Guy videos here, other videos here, subscribe here, and buy all your John Deere parts here.
We'll make it work. I think
we're gonna have to make it
we'll make it work. Come on, let's go.
We need to make
you need some food.
Y'all already burned me out.
some bloopers.
He's sitting in the sun over here, man.